Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reza Aliza Stania. I come from grade 3A. So now, the next few minutes, I will explain some important point in the article written by Myung Hee Sin as Professor Talmage Liberal Arts College from Hanam University. So the title of this article is Development of English Teaching Model Applying Artificial Intelligence through Maker Education. So, the purpose of this study is to demonstrate how EFL learners can overcome the limitations of traditional classes and practice communication through the learning activities model. And about the research was conducted from March to June 2019 to develop and obtain strategies and guidelines through model development, validation, and application. So the research period is from March 2019 to June 2019 for 15 weeks. For the first 2 weeks are a general orientation period for basic artificial intelligence, knowledge, and maker education. Then, to complement the English language teaching model design and implement as an educational program, there are 8 steps is preparation like research or analysis, then review like expert review, and then development like case study or draft learning model, then review like expert review, development like revision model, then pilot test like pilot testing, implementation like conduct a class, and the last is evaluation like effective factor class model. And then instrument and data analysis of this research based on the purpose and content of this study based on university usefulness and validity. The question consisted of 5 questions about educational satisfaction for the class. Then we move to for the class activity model. There are 3. The first is pre-learning, second in class, and the third is post-learning. In the pre-learning stage, a contents using artificial intelligence and materials that can be helpful for self-direct learning are provided to the LMS or learning management system. In class, the first step of this upcoming class model is a team discussion to clarify the concept of pre-learning with relevant activities. The second step is team activity, which is also the core of the project's activities as maker education. And the third step is to provide a key summary. Then about pre-learning model using artificial intelligence, class pre-learning learning activities is like movie, imagine, heard the sound and imagine what the movie is about, and then short by scan order. For interaction is with all and teacher student by chat room. And for strategy is complete quizzes and task action plans or summary notes. Then main class model we can see at the table. Class there are intro, main, and then evaluation. And then for interaction, for intro, no exercise tasks or team activities. For main class, team activities maker education like teacher-student or student-student. And for evaluation class is participation, attitude, interaction. For the strategy of this class, for intro is interaction, and for main class is feedback, cooperative, students, contribute, and then the last evaluation for strategy like achievement. Then for the final stage in post-learning and reflection is a step in which each team performs a task and reflects on individual learning after each lecture. For the conclusion of this article, I think EFL learners can overcome the traditional limitation of the classroom and train communication through learning activities models. The use of artificial intelligence is a task that learners can perform in front of the main class and allows learners to prepare for class independently. In addition, the education of creators who create a common goals in these class activities can maximize the effect of cooperative learning through the process of communication and compromise in activities between group members. So I think that's all from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.